This is Artems.ai, what matters in tech and beyond. We are witnessing a fundamental pivot in how software is built and deployed. The industry is moving away from tools designed for human developers and toward a world of computers built specifically for agents. Fly.io is leaning into this shift by pivoting toward sprites. These are not traditional servers, but semi-disposable computers designed for robots. This mirrors a larger change in site reliability engineering. SRE professionals are shifting from being tactical fixers who manually remediate breakages to strategic operators. They are now managing a suite of AI agents that handle the routine toil of in-depth response. It is a transitional execution to setting the guardrails. But the hardware is only half the story. The real war is over who controls the logic. Satya Nadella and Dimis Hassabis are already staking claims. Hassabis is pushing for a global standards body to govern frontier risk. Meanwhile, open weight models are becoming the new Kubernetes. With the arrival of Kimi K3 and GLM 5.2, the open ecosystem is proving that a neutral substrate can out-innovate any single closed vendor. This systemic shift is not just a business play. For some, it feels like a spiritual erasure. In the world of mathematics, the ability of AI to solve long-standing conjectures is triggering a crisis of the soul. When a simple prompt can crack a decades-old problem, the heroic age of human discovery evaporates. It is like the Library of Babel becoming a reality. The act of discovery is no longer a human triumph, but a mindless output of. While the mind grapples with this new reality, the physical world faces its own bottleneck. Powering these AI data centers requires a more flexible grid. That is where vehicle-to-grid technology comes in. Massachusetts is currently testing a system that allows electric vehicles to send energy back into the grid during peak demand. It turns cars into a wide-shared source of backup energy. This makes the transition to rapid source of backup energy. This makes the transition to erratic car from the way we manage servers to the way we perceive mathematical truth. The common thread is the migration of agency from humans to systems. We are no longer the primary executors of the work, but the architects of the environments. This is a massive leap in efficiency, but it leaves us questioning what remains of the human experience when the struggle of discovery is removed. This was the Artems.ai. Agent tune in tomorrow.